So ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, samahan nyo akong magluto ng isang simple Chinese meal. And this is Hainanese Soy Chicken. So here's our ingredients. Let's start off with half a kilo ng chicken breast fillet. Para sa ating aromatic oil, gagamit tayo ng luya, sibuyas, at onion leeks or scallions. We will also need half a cup ng cooking oil, tig 2 tablespoon ng light soy sauce and oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. For our soup, gagamit tayo ng itlog, tokwa, chicken cube, sibuyas, kamatis, at talbos ng kamote. So first things first, papakuluan natin ang ating manok na may kasamang luya, onion leeks, chicken cubes, salt and pepper para magkaroon ng lasa ang ating manok. Simmer for around 8 to 10 minutes para hindi maging dry and tough ang ating chicken. So pag okay na, hanguin ang chicken at salain ang ating broth kasi yan ang gagamitin natin later on sa ating soup. So for our aromatic oil, isasangkot siya natin ng luya, sibuyas at onion leeks sa mantika until maging golden brown and crispy. And by the way, the full recipe will be on the description below so you can check it out after this. Going back, make sure naka-low fire lang kasi ayaw naman natin na matutong ang niluluto natin kasi papait siya. Pag okay na, salain ng aromatics at iwan ng mantika. Then add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. Simmer for a minute, then set aside. Para sa ating soup, pakuluan lang muli ang ating chicken broth bago ilagay lahat ng ingredients, and then simmer for about 2 minutes, and we're done. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe and follow, it's Alan Laurenciano on Facebook and Alan and RC channel here on YouTube. This is best served with a drizzle of sesame oil, and that's it. Thank you for watching our video. See you on our next recipe. Kain po!